Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your fantastic Friday and weekend update. Today, temperatures will be in the mid to upper 40s, but then we're slowly going to pump that up in the next 24 hours as we have a front moving through. And Saturday looks to be very warm during the day, but then at night we may have some issues with a very gusty thunderstorm or rain showers coming in later in the afternoon slash early night. So we're going to talk about that more in the next frame. But then we sort of fall back into, a little bit above average temperatures for um, mid-December and another week of no snow. But there's really nothing. There's nothing around that I could foresee. Uh, I'm going to say that December 22nd through the 26th is a possible storm signal, but that's about it. The weather story tomorrow is going to be windy conditions. And let me explain that. There's a front that's going to be pushing through late tomorrow, and that is going to bring some very gusty winds. And we may have to fight the possibility that there's a line of showers moving through, and we could experience a couple of brief tornadoes. So we have to be on the lookout for that, and I'll tell you why in a moment. So wind gusts could be upwards of 45 miles per hour Saturday through late Saturday evening. Okay, area wide. So we're talking this whole area here. Okay, which is basically my coverage area. And the reason for that is because we have an extremely heavy jet coming through this number here. That's the jet streak. Okay. And 111 knots translates somewhere in the neighborhood of 115, 120 maybe miles per hour. But that's in the upper atmosphere. Okay. So what does that translate to in the ground? Well, with that spin and that vorticity going that quickly, so you take that number and you kind of roughly divide it into half, and we could experience ground winds as much as 50 miles per hour in a really gusty situation. Um, and that could translate into some mesoscale features, such as thunderstorms that lead to supercells and um, possible tornadic issues. So we'll have to watch the radar tomorrow night. So that's it for me. The weather story for tomorrow is going to be the winds, and the weekend overall looks good, and the week ahead looks pretty quiet and nice. Uh, fairly mild, not super hot, warm, but a little bit above average. That's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios.